G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a little bit since I've given you an update on RIPIN, and you know, weather permitting, I haven't been able to do as much, but I thought I'd give you an update. And as you can see, we've painted the grey top black. It wasn't too hard. I managed to get away with doing it while it was in the engine bay. We just took the throttle body off, I taped up and masked up everything I could. But yeah, I think it's come up pretty good. No more grey top. And yeah, it's getting ready to match the black. So what else we got into was I've rerouted the oil catch can. A few of you guys were asking about that. So now instead of having it feed down to the air intake from the oil catch can, I've actually got both of the PCV and the breather there feeding up to it. And usually how I did that was I just used the pipe that goes to the PCV and snipped it, and down underneath there I actually just blocked it off with a bolt and tightened it up. So yeah, that's the update on RIPIN. So we've got another car coming to the channel, and if you're into this sort of thing, you're probably going to be into that. But yeah, this is the update. Things have been happening behind the scenes, and there should be more happening with RIPIN soon. We're waiting for the weather to come good so we can get the reverse cowl on and we can keep on going with this. So thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one, see you later.